Customer feedback, satisfaction, loyalty, voted #1. Project Barracuda. Tell us what you think.
I'm Michael Nolan. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Emergency Mobile Healthcare Ambulance Service. Emergency Mobile Healthcare has been a locally owned and operated ambulance service in Memphis, Tennessee since 1997. We've grown from one ambulance back in 1997 to 20 vehicles that provide emergent patient care today. We provide those services for our hospitals, nursing homes, the general public, Medicaid providers, and whoever calls us. We take care of all of our patients as they're our own family. So we're not just an ambulance, we're EMHC. When our phone company royally screwed up and it took them 4 days to put a line in this building that should have taken them a couple of hours, Cudatel saved our business. When the Cudatel was purchased, we had it in, we were installing it over in this location.
I am not a phone guy. I've not installed a phone system before in my life. I am an IT guy. I deal with computers. We brought it here a week before the move, get it all set up and ready to go. And I was amazed because in literally an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, we were able to get that thing programmed from out of the box to phones are sitting around at their desk. You literally plugged in the Polycom phones and they auto-provisioned, and they have this nice Cudatel box. It's beautiful, it sits in the rack, it's pretty, it's all lit up, and they can't use it.
We'd already moved anticipating that the cut was going to be on a Monday morning at 8 o'clock, and the cut didn't happen until about 4 days later.
And the phone company basically told them that they didn't care, that they're a bigger company than they are, and they didn't care.
We had been running on a cell phone for about 6 hours, and it was one line. And our customers were getting a busy signal, and we're very critical with the calls that we take because we have emergencies and those calls have to be answered immediately. They cannot have a busy signal. Justin at that point figured out that we could take our Cudatel and run it over to our old office and connect it.
Called Cudatel tech support. It's like, yeah, we can do it. I'm like, all right, can we back up all their programming? Absolutely.
And we had your tech support on they were already working on the configuration, and we put it in the ambulance and ran lights and sirens with it.
We took the Cudatel in the back of the ambulance over to the other office very quickly. At this point, it is basically life and death of the business. I unplugged the phones from their other phone system and plugged it into the WAN side of the Cudatel. And in a matter of 3-4 minutes max, the Cudatel engineer on the phone had the system forwarding the 5 different cell phones that we had here on site at the new building.
And he had engineering and development. I don't know who all he had on the phone, but they made that work. The Cudatel bailed us out of a big disaster.
Anything that you can ask support that you want it to do, they can generally find a way to do it. So you get all the advertised features, you get the price of the Barracuda, you get their support, but just overall you get a product that's going to work for you now and into your future endeavors with your companies.
The quality's better, the programming's better, and we're able to provide a better product to our customers.